everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a sticker haul for March. I have already done two previous sticker hauls, one for January and one for February. If you have not seen those, go back to my videos and check those out. As you know, one of my goals this year is to try to support other sticker companies, and besides the one that I predominantly used last year, which is PlannerKate, and I still do use PlannerKate a lot, as you will see. But when I was thinking about my goals for this coming year, I thought that I'd like to try to check out some other companies and just see what they had to offer. And so that is what I'm trying to do. So every month I'm going to support a new sticker company. This month for March, I am supporting and trying the company Orange Umbrella. I was so pumped, which you will see in a minute, about one particular sticker set that I'm going to use for my first week in March. But I'll talk more about the company when I get to those stickers. The first thing I want to show you, I don't know if I have gone through this, but I decided to keep my monthly stickers in a binder like this. I actually found several of these mini binders at Walmart down like the clearance aisle, and I think they were like $2.50 a piece, so I got a couple of them. And I decided that I'm going to organize this binder to put my stickers in as soon as I receive them. So what I have done is created some labels, and for the weeks, I'll put that particular label, and then when I get the stickers for that week, I'll put them in there. And then I also have the monthlies for each month. There are companies that actually sell these little stickers, but I figured that I could make them myself, and it took me no time. And so that is what I'm going to do. So here you will see all of my March, and I'll pull them out just so you can kind of see how I have them all organized and labeled. But this is everything for my March monthly. This kit is from PlannerKate. And it is kit 410. Really cute with the shamrocks. I didn't want to go kind of like with February. I didn't want to go full hearts for everything. I kind of couldn't avoid it for some of them for February, but for March, I tried really hard not to do full on shamrocks for everything. So this is from PlannerKate. I love the greens, the different shades of green. With that, I love these striped washi strips, really cute. And then this is H2. This is for the sidebar. These are to cover the open dates, like the dates from February, and then for April, how sometimes they kind of put those in. But that's to cover that. More of this washi, these cute little stars and hearts. Lots and lots of appointment labels on both pages, which are great because I use a lot, and especially during March, which is a heavy softball month, I will be using them a lot there. This is sheet H3, which I cut just so that it would fit into my binder. But this is for the monthly dashboard. And I just cut it here. It does come in one full sheet though, but I cut it to fit. And then I use this every month. This is for my bills page, and this is for the March bill. So I just added this sticker into the monthly section. Okay, this is the sticker. These are the sticker sheets that I am so excited about. As you know, I am from South Louisiana, and we celebrate Mardi Gras. And so when I saw that Orange Umbrella came out with a Mardi Gras sticker kit, I was all on it, and I knew that this was going to be my company for March. Orange Umbrella has a website, and I will have a code below. This is not sponsored, but I will have a code below if you want to check them out and order from them. And there are lots and lots of stickers, many varieties. She does stickers for all the different types of planners. There are new releases every week, multiple, sometimes a week, and the shipping was super fast. So I'm going to show you what I got. This is kit 116, and I got the days of the week, which come with the numbers, and then the weekend sticker. I got the full boxes, which I said I was going to start ordering in March, and I just love them. Like, you can't find Mardi Gras stickers for planners, or I haven't seen them anywhere else. So I was so happy about this. So these are the full boxes, really pretty. This is like, the next two are like, what do you call them? Like kind of your sampler pages. This is sheet, this is 116-071, and this is 116-072. They were different. They have washies on them. This one has appointment labels here, different like quarter boxes, half boxes, some cute little stickers here, some little arrows. They even have scripts on this page, the dots here, another weekend sticker, some little flags, but really cute. So I am so very excited to use this for the first week of March, because that is Mardi Gras week. So that is one of my other kits. And as you can see, as I said, I have it labeled. So when these came in, I just tucked it into this section because I knew that I was going to be using it during this week. Okay, my next two are from HanCanPlan, which I have used before, and I absolutely love her stickers. They make me so happy, and I'm so glad to have found her shop as well. So this is the Mellow Yellow kit. This is called the main kit. This is sheet A. So it comes with washi, a half box, one little quarter box here, and then all of your date covers. These are the separate date covers. I don't know if you can see that, but so they're separate. They're not in a strip versus some companies do the strip. I just put up a weekly plan with me this morning, so if you have not yet seen that, please go and check it out. But I kind of talk a little bit about that, about the difference in the strips for the dates, which is like this, versus the separate date stickers like this. And as I said in the video, I don't have a preference. Some people might, but most of the sticker companies, I think, don't quote me on that. A lot of the sticker companies, I'll change my statement. A lot of the sticker companies have a choice where you can do either the separate stickers for the days or the strip. I've seen that before. So, but like I said, I don't have a preference. And then of course you have the numbers to fill in for the days. So this is Mellow Yellow sheet A. This is Mellow Yellow sheet B. These are the full boxes, and it even comes with some quarter boxes. This is so pretty. I don't know if the colors are showing up as well on camera, but this is just so pretty. I love the grays and the yellows and the blacks together. So cute. And I'm not a huge floral person, but these florals are just so pretty. I love these. Okay, then this is the boxes, sheet C. So lots of boxes here, and as I said, March is going to be full, so I'm going to need as many boxes as I can get. There are also some little tape flags and then dots. This is sheet D, deco and scripts. So you've got your weekend sticker, several of the check boxes. And I talked about sheets that have the dates, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I talked about this in my weekly plan with me that I put up this morning as well, that I don't use these for any kind of like tracking purposes, or some people might use this for like a meal plan, but I don't use this. I do still need these types of boxes. So what I've done is I take these stickers, the numbers, like if I have 1 through 7, you know, I replace that here. Like if I don't use those, I replace them here, and then I can still check off. To me, I would rather have the numbered box than the box labeled for the days of the week. So that's what I do. These as well, I don't use the dates, so I just cut them off, and then I have another quarter box, and I do that with both of those because I tend to need them. So that's a little tip there. I love how she did her planner in the same pattern. That's really, really cute. Lots and lots of different scripts, the fork and the knife, lots of different little icons, and then labels for the sidebar. And then this is just washi. I typically don't get extra washi because I find that the washi that comes on like the main sheets is usually enough for. I think it was better to buy the entire kit than to get each sheet separately. So I think getting the washi was like, getting this page was cheaper, or like maybe $1 or $2, you know, difference. But I figured I might as well just go ahead and give it a shot and just see if maybe I would use it more. So this is the next kit for March. And again, this is Mellow Yellow from HanCanPlan. I will have all of these sticker shops and everything listed in the description box. And if there are any coupon codes that go along with the shop, I will list those as well. This is another kit from HanCanPlan, and it is going to be used, of course, during St. Patrick's Day week. And like I said, I try not to do shamrocks every single week, but I just couldn't resist. This reminded me so much of like Lucky Charms. And so I thought it was a different take. It wasn't just strictly green. There were pinks and blues and yellows. So I went with this one as well. And this is called Lucky Day, this Lucky Day kit. And these are going to look very similar to the Mellow Yellow kit as far as what's included. So I won't necessarily go over that as in depth as I did with the other kit, but this is the main kit page for Lucky Day Sheet A. This is Sheet B, the full boxes. Really cute. Like very non-traditional, I guess. That's why I'm saying it reminded me of Lucky Charms. All the different pinks and blues and yellows. So these are the full boxes. This is it just says, it's just called boxes. So you get a variety of boxes, dots, tape flags, and things like that. This is the deco and scripts. And then this is the washi page. So I did the same thing with this one as far as getting this washi page. Really adorable. I'm looking forward to using this as well. And then finally, y'all, Orange Umbrella is like coming through really hard for me this time. Another kit I was really, really excited about. It doesn't necessarily have anything to do with March per se as far as a theme goes, but I loved it. So when I ordered the Mardi Gras kit, I ordered this one as well because if you know me, you know I couldn't resist. And so this is the, it's an animal print. Oh, I'm so loving this one. Just like I loved the pink one from February, I'm loving this one. So I ordered a couple different sheets from the Mardi Gras. For this one, I ordered, it has another full box and some more check boxes and things here. So I got that sheet, and this is kit 110. This is sheet 15. This is sheet 12. Oh, look at this. The full boxes. This is 110. This is sheet 1. I love it. I love this corally orange color, and then the lighter color, and the grays and the blacks and the tans. This is just so cute to me. Just so cute. And then I got the 2 like sampler type pages, which comes with more full boxes, lots of appointment labels, washi, the same thing as you saw in the Mardi Gras as far as the offerings, the scripts, and the appointment labels, another weekend banner. But oh, so adorable. So adorable. So yeah, these are the stickers that I bought to use for the month of March. Again, I hope you like these videos. I personally like to watch other people's sticker hauls and see what's out there, because like I said, I definitely am wanting to support other sticker companies as well, just see what's out there, see what the offerings are. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Again, if you have not seen my weekly plan with me that I just posted this morning, please go and check it out. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I am loving using the weekly spreads. So with that, that's going to do it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.